It's a beautiful day. It's probably 2 years too late, and we're finally gonna do it. What do you have to say, sir?
Woo, we're gonna...
You can't say that on the video. Welcome to the flight. I'm your Captain Jet Fueled, and this is not gonna be the greatest video because I'm not a vlogger, but that's okay. We're gonna have fun anyway. Right, Luby?
Oh yeah, we're...
God damn it! How dare you? Here's the place. Here's the funny mailbox. Got an extra slot for some reason. Luby busts down an epic TikTok dance.
Oh no, funny TikTok voice, ha 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 ha, lava mayonnaise rubber helicopter doom music starts playing.
Sir, do you know how fast you were going?
I was going at least 80 miles per hour.
Okay, carry on.
Here we go. Sorry about the wait.
You're getting robbed, kid.
I know.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
I feel like only truly rich people listen to pop music. What do you think?
I think poor people only listen to 100 gags.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's poor people music?
Poor people music, 100 gags. And middle class, they listen to like Jimmy Buffett.
That's totally fair.
Yeah.
There are no other genres.
No genres, 100 gags, Jimmy Buffett, pop music. That's
Exactly.
it. Yes.
Good thing, yeah, it's only when you get rich can you have more of a variety than just one artist. Dr. Grant. He's dressed as Dr. Grant.
We're entering the prehistoric world.
Ooh, who's that at the door? Let's go see.
Hey!
Who could it be? It's our favorite hiker, man. Why though? Here we go. Mr. Graydon, sir. Hello.
John's beard, John's beard, John's beard, John's beard, John's beard.
Welcome to the video.
Yes. I like the Hail Hitler.
Shut the fuck up. Shut up, dude.
We're like, yeah.
We're going to the car. We're gonna have fun squeezing in the tiny car. Hell yeah, we're going to the car and it's gonna be a tiny squeeze.
Does anyone want to use the restroom before we go?
No, I'll just poop in the car, thanks. Anyway, this is the amazing mobile that we're taking. It's a mobile.
The Nazis made the Volkswagen.
Shut the no, they didn't.
Yeah, they did.
Not all Germans are Nazis.
Video to get demonetized.
No, the Nazi.
It's never gonna get monetized anyway.
The Nazi Party founded Volkswagen. Did you not know that?
Yeah, they did.
Okay, and look how far they've come.
Yeah, it's a good vehicle.
It's a good vehicle.
The car, or do you want to just dump your stuff?
I'm
Littering.
Take a video of my coffee?
I mean, it's literally tilted on the ground. And, like, it's not gonna stand, bro.
He's like the next tourist in town.
Littering.
We all set?
I was gonna say the
You're gonna kick it over again?
I didn't kick it over, it fell over.
And just like that, it's gone. Remember, everybody, not everything good lasts. Now this guy is apparently a Nazi apologist is back.
Alright, we are in the car, which means it's time to fill in the blanks and give some context for this video. But first, I gotta... There we go, much better. I did say I was gonna do that. Okay, anyway, yes! This trip is to an abandoned train tunnel in Clinton, Mass. Caddy pitched this idea for a trip a few months after we had randomly gone to Berlin, Mass during the pandemic, summer of 2020, which we happen to be passing right now.
Was it? We walked on this,
You guys did?
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah, you remember now.
Awesome.
This was the corner. Yeah, this was the spot, baby.
But we never ended up going on this trip due to it being literally impossible to coordinate cool things with anybody unless they're friendless, jobless, and have money. Okay, maybe I made up those conditions, but something along those lines, probably. So the first place that we passed by was the reservoir, which was easily the prettiest.
Oh, shit. What are you doing?
What? I'm parking here.
You could have given us a little bit more of a warning before you're stopping, but alright.
Ow, Creighton, what the fuck? Ugh, okay, aside from my throbbing head, we made it! Now, back to the shenanigans.
Sir?
Hey guys, it's me, the grandpa. I'm ready for a lube venture.
A loop-filled adventure.
A loop-filled adventure. Hell yeah. You ready to dig some gold up?
Oh, I'm ready.
I'm ready to be somebody's dad, I
I'm
guess.
ready to find some buried treasure around here.
Buried treasure! Wow.
Especially this dam right here. I mean,
This is the fucking worst video ever. Rules. No dogs, no alcohol, no drones, no fishing, no swimming, no boating, no bikes, no metal detectors, no littering, no fires. They didn't say anything about trespassing. Here we go, guys. What if we roll down this hill? I can totally. I can do that. Yeah, baby! I'm number one!
So the initial plan was to go to the train tunnel, then the reservoir, then the town, but because it was lunchtime, we saved the train tunnel for last.
See, the road always narrows, but it never thickens.
It's December.
This disappoints me, Graydon.
There's
Why?
a lack of girth here.
There's a lack of girth in this road.
Oh boy, this walk was hot. It's a good thing I decided to wear white that day instead of what I'm wearing now. Also, damn! That's where we are. We're at the dam. See that there's a picture. Follow Caddy on the Instagram and we're heading into town. Remember?
Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Don't. Good job.
Yay!
Cheers, boys.
Oh god.
Water. This is a good video. I hope you enjoy it.
Jesus Christ.
So, after we finished harassing the locals with our
Brilliant
mental retardation,
intellect.
some of the locals decided that they've had enough, and they harassed us back.
Like what they talked about.
I have a question.
Sometimes the cameraman will just like shoot.
Alright, so I wanted to go like completely bald.
What the fuck?
And after some lunch, we made our way back to the car the way we came to go to the abandoned train tunnel. You know how popular YouTube videos take highlights from their 16-minute waste of time, and it usually is like 3/4 through the video that the part you care about happens? Yeah, well, that's happening right now. I just wasted 8 minutes of your life. This is where the official video starts.
It's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Mr. Caddy, you finally see it.
it's definitely something.
Hell yeah.
Unlike the many adventures I've gone on, never seen anything as dark as this.
Are we going through it?
We're going through the lines there.
Let's see what we've got.
Alright, boys, let's do it. By the way, it is going to the place.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We got the flashlights.
Yeah. Lights on.
No, it's kind of a tourist attraction out here. Okay, well, you know, there's that. I think the nicest thing about this is that it gets colder. Liam, your flashlight is ridiculous. It's a good thing you brought it. Yeah, you gotta be careful. There's like some rocks you gotta go over. Thanks, man. Here we go, and this is the end of the tunnel, honestly. It is a cave, yeah. Yeah, it's much colder now. Oh wow, there is a lot of water coming out of here. All right, so good luck, watch your step. I'll have to be careful as well. Oh, true.
And now we're back out in nature.
Indeed we are.
Yeah, that's dope.
That is dope.
Ah, glad we made it. I didn't thoroughly shit my pants the entire time that music was playing. You did. I don't know what you're talking about. I would never die. Hey! Eyes up here, buddy. You do not get to look down there. How dare you?
Yeah, so we just tried trekking through what was on the other side of the tunnel. And we got wet. Luby doesn't look so great. He looks like he just shit his pants. There he is. What a cutie.
Yeah, it's a cute snake. He's not gonna bother us.
Blep, blep, blep. Aww, I like him. I'm getting good video of him. Wait, oh yeah! There we go. We did.
How you doing, buddy?
Oh no! He's still there. He's a good little guy.
Look how he runs. The back of his legs.
He hops, bro. He's a little froggo, yeah.
Hey, you! You get it? Oh, look. Oh, yeah.
You're gonna piss off that guy. What is it? I want to, yeah, that thing is sweet.
And that was our trip to the abandoned train tunnel. Thanks so much for watching. I had a great time putting this together. Catch me on all my socials at Jet Fueled. That's 2 T's, no spaces, capital J, capital F. I'll see you later.
Well, we made it back, but we're not done just yet, are we?
We ain't done yet. We still got an after party.
Yeah, after party. You're done?
I'm done.
You're done?
John is fucked.
We're leaving you at home, Mr. Luby.
I'm killing myself.